Okay. We will start sound A. A, T, at. A, T. When we join these two letters, this is A, T, at. F, A, T. These are three letters. We join three letters. This is F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. A, D, A, D, add. A, D, add. S, A, D. S, A, D, sad. S, A, D, sad. A, G. A, G, egg. W, A, G. W, A, G, wag. A, M. A, M, M. A, M, M. R, A, M. R, A, M, RAM. R, A, M, RAM. A, N. A, N, N. A, N, N. P, A, N. P, A, N, pen. A, P. A, P, app. T, A, P. T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. These are A sound words. You understood how to read these words. Now we will do sound I. We will do sound I. Read this like IT, IT, it. LIT, LIT, lit. LIT, lit. IG, IG, ig. IG, ig. PIG, PIG, pig. PIG, pig. IN, IN, in. TIN, TIN, tin. TIN, tin. IP, IP, ip. IP, ip. ZIP, ZIP, zip. ZIP, zip. ID, 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 id. LID, LID, lid. LID, lid. Students, these are I sound words. You have to read these words like this. Okay. Now we will do some sound words. A and I sound. Your mama will speak these words and you will write the words like this. See carefully. बेटा आप सबने पहले ध्यान से वर्ड को सुनना है, कौन सी साउंड आ रही है, देन यू विल राइट, उसके बाद आप लिखोगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट लिसन. मैम ने बोला कैप. कैप. हाउ टू राइट कैप? CAP. कैप. राइट डाउन CAP. कैप. मैम ने बोला rat. What is the spelling of rat? RAT. Rat. Write down RAT. Rat. Word is fan. Fan. What is the spelling of fan? FAN. 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 Next word is bag. Spelling of bag is BAG. 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 Next word is mat. Mat. Spelling of mat is MAT. Mat. Write down MAT. Mat. Next word is cat. Spelling of cat is CAT. 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 Next word is tap. Tap. Spelling of tap is TAP. Tap. CAP. Cap. RAT. Rat. FAN. Fan. BAG. Bag. MAT. Mat. CAT. Cat. TAP. Tap. Now we will write I sound. I sound words. Word is bin. 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 Spelling of bin is BIN. Bin. Next word is lid. Lid. Spelling of lid is LID. Lid. Now write down LID. Lid. Next word is bib. Bib. Spelling of bib is BIB. Bib. We will write here BIB. Bib. Next word is nib. Nib. Spelling of nib is N-I-B. Nib. N-I-B. Nib. N-I-B. Nib. Next word is zip. Spelling of zip is Z-I-P. Zip. Write down Z-I-P. Zip. Next word is pin. Pin. Spelling of pin is P-I-N. Pin. We will write here P-I-N. Pin. Our next word is lip. Lip. Spelling of lip is L-I-P. Lip. We will write here L-I-P. Lip. Okay, students. These words are of A and I sounds. देखिए इसमें I के भी वर्ड है और A साउंड के भी वर्ड्स हैं. अब हम इनको एक साथ रीड करेंगे. Okay, students. Then you will understand these words. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. T-A-P, tap. Now, I sound words. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Students, today you will do these sound words of A and I. Okay, you will learn and write these words. Not only write, you will learn also. मैं will take test on Monday. बेटा मैम आपका मंडे को इन्हीं साउंड वर्ड्स का टेस्ट लेंगे. ओके, सो यू विल लर्न दिस. नाउ वी विल डू आवर स्टोरी, टू सिली गोट्स. Story, two silly goats. Once upon a time, there were two silly goats. These two silly goats wanted to cross a narrow bridge together. One silly goat was on the one side and other silly goat was on the other side. When they came to the middle of the bridge, they began to fight. As they were fighting, both fell into the water and were drowned. Moral of the story is we should not fight. Once again, story two silly goats. Once upon a time, there were two silly goats. These two silly goats wanted to cross a narrow bridge together. One silly goat was on the one side and other silly goat was on the other side. When they came to the middle of the bridge, they began to fight. As they were fighting, both fell into the water and were drowned. Moral of the story is we should not fight. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we will learn all the poems. Okay, students? We will start from boat. We will start our poems from boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Our next poem is Parrot. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. Little Paul Parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. Our next poem is Aeroplane. Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Where are you going? Flying so high. Over the mountain and over the sea. Aeroplane, aeroplane, won't you take me? Our next poem is our flag. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians. We love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute our flag with pride. We sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians. We love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute our flag with pride. We sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Our next poem is Rabbit. I saw a little rabbit come hop, hop, hop. I saw his two long ears go flop, flop, flop. I saw his little nose go twink, twink, twink. I saw his little eyes go wink, wink, wink. I said, little rabbit, won't you stay? Then he looked at me and hopped away. Okay, students? These are our poems. Now it's your turn. Okay? It's your turn. I will recite with you. Okay? Meenu ma'am, please unmute all the students.